Namaskar and hello to you all from the consultant's view on the eve of Diwali 2024 festive season. Last week, I got a call from one of my viewers. He wants to know what the consultancy profession is, its job nature, its profile, how to become a consultant, who can be called as consultant. For those viewers who are not aware of these questions, I should give few examples for better clarity. Doctors being hired in private hospitals or nursing homes as consultants. In infrastructure projects, the government hires and appoint a person or a firm to oversee the job on behalf of the authority. The person there works as a consultant. A businessman consults an expert for expanding his business. Here, the person is advising as a consultant. Even for you and me, wants to build our own house, appoints a person to check the work quality and progresses. He is a consultant to me. Hope it clears the role of a consultant. A consultant is not an employee. He or she gets paid by the client on job basis and as per their mutual agreement, but not on salary mode. Rudimentarily, I can say that a consultant works on hire and fire basis. For the general viewers, this is what a consultancy job is. If possible, later I will do a video to elaborate and discuss the difference between business consulting and management consulting. Now, since I started this channel, I have been receiving lot of comments to be specific queries from my viewers. Being a professional consultant on engineering sector, why I have started this channel, why I am so excited on this, what's my plan, is there any rationale for this channel, for the consultants community, etc. etc. I need to explain the purposes of this channel and unveils the aim underneath. It is my viewers' demand and I am obliged to comply to the extent possible. Before that, I think it would be prudent to say a few lines of my career. It will bring more relevance to the context. I am from engineering background, civil engineer, did masters on environmental engineering. I have been working for 30 years. Since 2000, I am in consultancy business, worked under a consulting firm for initial 6 years and then persuaded my passion to work as a freelance consultant as an individual capacity. There has been ups and downs in freelance consultancy. I believe all the consultants have gone through these phases. During my journey, I observed, mainly during the middle to senior stage of my career, most of the consultancy jobs are generally of similar nature in similar geographic location, leaving aside a few exceptions which all consultants have faced at some point of his career. Normally, our approaches towards the problem or issues are mostly conventional, where application of expertise knowledge has been through a traditional thought process. But I vouch to say here that in every job or project, whatever traditional or conventional it may be, there are a small portion, maybe minimum 5% components that are very new and unique. We have not faced it earlier. If any consultant is watching this video, my request would be to close your eyes after this video and think for your past career jobs and projects. You will find that in every job assignment, there was a small portion which was new and unique to you. That's where my target is, to pick those components or events or challenges which we negotiated as a new challenge in our professional career. One of the purpose of this channel is to pick those 5% events from every consulting field, highlight it in this platform and showcase it as a case study. In our consultancy industry, the professionals work within their respective domain of expertise. All consultants by and large moved ahead in their career path, making a balance between his capability and capacity versus constant limitation in their profession. In the journey, some consultants were very successful in making this balance and got recognition in the consulting society. Few of them even achieved accolades for national and international arena and are extremely elite class, who often come in media, newspaper, television, etc., seminar and paper publication, journal presentation, and other promotional activities. Our consultancy community knows them very well. What the consultancy community do not know is about those who are left alone, who have immense knowledge on their subject, but unfortunately they are not so keen to showcase their contribution publicly towards the society. They are very much grounded, happy with their work, discuss the solutions with his colleague group, and not bothered to get highlighted on public platform. I know some who feel shy if they are honored even in a small social gathering. This channel targets those professionals who are not so popular and have no dearth of knowledge and silently contributed a lot to the society. I believe his and her or her contribution will be remembered by the consulting community and shall be referenced to the future young professionals. The channel endeavors to bring them on the show, allow them to speak freely, deep down in their expert domain, and showcase their knowledge to the whole society at large. These are the main purposes of this channel. The channel aims to introduce them and make them acquainted with the society. It provides an avenue to these consultants to showcase their specific job, contribution to the wider spectrum of the society, highlight the importance of the consultancy, discuss the consultancy challenges, the business perspective and the cash flow along the chain of consultancy, showcase criticalities in the consultancy job, future consultancy prospect, whether there is a need to modify traditional consultancy modality, and many others. It is wise to mention in the context that this channel will predominantly focus on the aspect of engineering consultancy. In modern days, an engineering project cannot be made successful with respect to sustainability goals only with engineers' effort. It requires professional input from social expert, environmentalist, financial analyst, economist, procurement and law professionals, tax and insurance sector, investors analysis, scientists and medical professionals, architect, entrepreneur and business model setters, and lastly the academicians' advices. I regret and forgive me if unintentionally any field is being missed out or left behind. However, their roles are as important as the engineer's role in a project. Hence, the channel encompasses the society at large, all sectors consultancy with due respect to all. In future, it may expand to other consultancy sectors also. After opening the channel in May 2024, the Consultant's View offers 5 products for its viewers. First one is short technical video series which was launched in July 2024. The next coming product is podcast with professionals. It will be launched soon. We have a belief system to inaugurate any good event in an auspicious time. Diwali festive is coming soon. I plan to launch podcast series during the festive season. The 3 other products are surprises for the time being, will get unfolded in due course. Okay, here it is contextual to say and request that if any consultant wants to participate in this channel as guest, having appropriate contents relevant to the purpose which I discussed and aligned with the rationale, this channel, the Consultant's View, will embrace them with warm welcome and offer them a platform to deliver his or her speech. The contact details the contact email address is given in the description box. Lastly, I request all my viewers to spread the message to a wider spectrum. Please do support us on this by subscribing the channel. We are also exploring for sponsorship. Without your support, this initiative will not be sustainable. Thank you.